Okay, ladies, so we made a lot of videos to tell you how to find a good man, how to be in a healthy relationship, how to make him commit. But today, I just saw a video, Coach Andres, that is amazing on how to love a man.
Wow.
So I want to share it with you and I want to get your opinion on this one, okay?
Yeah.
So Mr. Ray, that is this in the background, can you please show us the video?
We're thriving because of you. Like, I'm able to get a new phone because of you. I'm able to go get my eyes tested and get new glasses tomorrow because of you. I'm able to have somebody come in here and clean
Because of you.
I'm able to make a meal for not just our family, but Crystal and Brett because of you.
You know how long she must have thought of this?
Yeah, that's
you're
like-
driving us.
This isn't just going with the
And
flow.
I
She just
appreciate
wanted to
you
say
so
this.
much. Like, you, the
She
way
was
you
prepared?
lavish your love
Yeah.
on us,
Or at least like
is insane.
building in her.
Like, you take such good care of us. You are such an incredible provider. And I don't just mean financially. Like, you're an incredible provider for our family. Like, I had expectations of what you were going to be like, and you have far surpassed them. Like, I am overwhelmed with what a great provider you are for our family. I am so blessed, and I'm so grateful that you're my husband. I just want you to know that. Okay?
Thank you, Ray.
Damn.
This is
Wow.
when I first watched this video, like I cannot lie to you, I had some tears.
I almost got there.
This is the most beautiful message that you can tell to a man. That's what I feel. What do you think?
There's so much going on in that video other than just what she's saying that people hopefully can see is that like he's in a different room and they're not really necessarily having, I don't know what kind of conversation, but she was facing the TV.
Yeah.
And so something was not acknowledged or maybe missed. And so she like probably paused, stood up, turned around and confessed all this gratitude and love and admiration that I'm sure she's shown him or obviously is towards him, but hasn't necessarily said it.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is such a deep, deep message because us men, we're guilty on this. We don't compliment each other enough.
Mm-hmm.
Women, they're obsessed about every new thing in the store or new item, and they compliment each other like crazy. They get compliments from men all day. We don't compliment each other at all. We really don't.
Mm-hmm.
And we don't expect it. And when you're in a relationship, we don't need the compliments during the process because we're always like so goal driven,
Yeah.
result based. To hear that, showing like everything you're doing is appreciative.
Yeah. I love the fact that she gave specific examples.
Yeah.
And, you know, when you give examples like this, you're showing to this man, like, I am seeing you.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of this video, in my opinion, is that she's telling him that he's seen. That's number one. Number two, that what he's doing is enough. Because I've coached so many people, men and women. And most of the time, the reason why there is a breakup, the reason why there is a disconnection, it's when we don't feel appreciated enough. If I feel like I'm not doing enough, that will play on my self-confidence. That will play on, you know, my mood.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, I would be unhappy, even if I have everything.
Yeah.
In this video, the way she's showing him that what it does is enough, more than enough,
Yeah.
that it's amazing.
Yeah.
I think that's also recognizing his strength. And as a man, you want to be recognized as a provider.
Yeah.
And she says not just financially, but in general.
And you can tell like he's you know taking this role as providing very seriously and is working hard and doing everything he can. The fact that she acknowledges every little thing about like my phone, the lights, groceries, this because of you shows like her level of gratitude of the very basic but important things that we take for granted every day.
Mm-hmm.
And so you see so much, again, humility in her. And again, you just see a lot of great appreciation on her end because obviously he's doing all this because she's worth it.
Yeah.
You know, and obviously he's doing this because, you know, obviously he's a father.
Mm-hmm.
But to have that praise from her, knowing what he's doing, you just gave him like a jolt of steroids. Like he's now he's going to be like like a woman can make a man into Superman.
I love what you mentioned, Coach Andres. This is like Can you show the end of the video, Ray, please? Because
Masculinity.
yeah, it gives you like, even if you're tired, you will wake up.
Yep.
Even if you don't want to do it, you will do it. Even if you want to show that, you know, like, look at this hug at the end. This guy, she changed his life. Like, if you talk like this to a man, you're giving him steroids, what you mentioned,
Yeah.
Coach Andres. That's beautiful.
Because the only time us men feel
Thank you,
that
Ray.
level of, let's say, admiration or unconditional love is usually just from our mom. And we could basically let go and cry to our mom. We can cry and feel weak and vulnerable to our mom.
It depends even that, because
Even
not
that.
everyone has an
True.
amazing mom
And
like
like yours
yours,
too.
right?
Yes, true.
So even my mom, she's the best mom,
Yeah.
but she never says, like, some moms, they are shy to
Yes.
share this.
True.
So that's why I want to say also, this video was like, if you love a man,
Yeah.
you need to say it.
Yes.
But not just I love you.
Yeah.
Tell him what he's doing that you love.
But
I
okay,
think
so,
this is beautiful.
so in a sense, maybe not just a mom, but in a sense, if there was a role where a man did
Yeah.
feel weak and not embarrassed about,
Mhm.
it would be with a parent.
Of course, yeah, you're right. on
You know what I'm
this
saying?
one.
So
Yeah.
like the dad will kind of keep it a little more tough and like, you know, robotic in a way, where the mom will hold you when you're a baby, and the mom, you know, cleaned you when you're a baby and fed you. So they're always that level of like, she's bigger than you, but she's not. She's
Yeah.
tiny, but she's bigger than you, because her presence, her impact. And so that's the only time we feel as men like a time to feel vulnerable or weak, or at least if that happens or not. And we go through all our lives, through teenage to adult to this, of like trying to be tough, trying to be a provider, trying to be secure, trying to be this, and to get that recognition, not when he's crying and weak, but just doing his own thing,
Yeah.
he just got taller.
I do agree. I think that this video will always give me goosebumps. And I want you ladies to really watch this video, because that's how you can love a man, but a man that deserve it.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
for
yeah,
the man that
yeah.
deserve
Ladies,
it.
ladies. So this is obviously towards a man who stepped up. And
Yeah.
again, always remember,
And he's
step
doing-
up or step away.
Yeah.
You know what made me think of this now with this scene, and it gets to me every time. I cry and then I go work out like an animal. Rocky,
Oh yeah.
3.
Yep.
when she's in the hospital giving birth to their baby, and he got beat up by, I think, Mr. T.
Yeah.
And she's like, when, you know, she's like, one more thing, when, and you see him, and she's in the hospital bed, just gave birth to his son, and she's like, now when. You see him, and he puts on that freaking music, gets there, goes to the beach with Apollo, and just starts killing and kicking ass everywhere. And that scene was like, you know, that support from a strong woman to a man who deserves that is unbreakable.
So I think that was a beautiful video. So ladies, you know how to love a man. Be specific, share examples, be emotional,
Yeah.
be vulnerable a little bit as well. But make sure that you do it in a way that he would remember for the rest of his life.
And honestly, to this video, it's so deep and so meaningful. It's amazing to have a moment like this. I mean, it's priceless, right? But you don't have to duplicate this.
Of
The
course,
idea
you need to do
idea
it your
is
own way.
the advice is give 5 seconds of this video and show your man that. Just a compliment, just an acknowledgement, just an appreciation, just a small little thing. Use the principle of this, where maybe you don't have to go all to a point of listing so many things you're grateful for, but just start with one. Just start with one and to watch the reaction out of him. Watch his response, watch his energy. And you're like, interesting.
I do agree with that. So tell us in the comments, what do you think of this video? Of course, tell us what will you do to love a man if he deserves it. And if you don't have a man, remember that we are doing coaching. You're
Yes.
offering a free
Yeah,
assessment.
free consultation. Go to coachingwithandres.com. My email, my contact information, my social media platforms are all there. Message me, put on the subject consultation podcast. You get a free consultation. I'm here to help.
Sounds good. Thank you, Coach Andres.
Thank you.
Let's go for another video. Take
Love
care,
it.
guys.